Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and unlink Instagram from Facebook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So for that purpose, let's go ahead and open our Instagram. So once our app is open, what we're gonna do is simply we will tap on this profile icon given below right corner. Once we are here in our profile, we will simply tap on this three horizontal line on top right corner, tap on the settings option, and we can simply tap on this account option just to view the sharing apps. Tap on the sharing to other apps. Now we can see the connected app, which is Facebook. So if you want to remove that, if you click on that app, you will get this kind of information like what you're sharing. You can simply turn it off according to your need or set up as well. If you simply want to remove, what you're going to do, simply go back to your settings and then tap on this account center below. This will open this kind of interface. For that purpose, you can go ahead check your profiles as well from there. Otherwise, you can tap on this accounts option below and you can see the Facebook account right over here. So if you want to remove it, simply tap on this remove option and tap on this remove account first option, tap on this continue, and you will simply be able to remove your particular Facebook account from Instagram. So yes guys, this is the way you can simply unlink or remove your account from Instagram. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.